What if I told you that you can create a full YouTube video
without writing a script, without recording your voice, and without editing for hours?
Today, I am going to show you exactly how to create a professional YouTube video using AI step by step, even if you are a complete beginner. And the crazy part, you can do all of this in under 1 hour. Let us start. The first thing you need is a script. Instead of writing everything manually, we're going to use Chat. Open Chat and type something like, write a 6-minute YouTube script about productivity tips for students. Make it engaging, conversational, and beginner-friendly. Within seconds, it generates a full script. You can also ask it to add a strong hook, include storytelling, make it more emotional, add call to action at the end. This alone saves hours. Now we need a voice. If you don't want to record yourself, use ElevenLabs. Here's what you do. Copy your script, paste it into ElevenLabs. Choose a realistic voice. Click Generate. Download the audio. It sounds almost human. If you prefer alternatives, you can try Murph Air as well. Now comes the fun part. Use tools like Pictory, InVideo. Upload your script or voiceover. The AI will add stock footage, add subtitles, sync visuals automatically, create transitions. You can customize colors and text style. If you want more control, you can use Canva to manually build scenes using AI-generated visuals. Within minutes, you have a full edited video. Thumbnails are everything. Go to Canva. Use big, bold text 3 for Word Max. High contrast colors. 1 strong emotion. Example thumbnail text. Made with AI. No experience needed. AI did everything. If you want custom AI images, you can generate them using Midjourney. Now, let's make sure people actually find your video. Use Tubely, Vidic, or just ask Chat. Give me 10 high CTR YouTube titles about making videos with AI. Pick the most clickable one. Once you learn this system, you can start a faceless YouTube channel, create niche educational videos, sell digital products,